This is a post of banner, you can read it. This Chomkan is being observed by the people of, and you can see the attire of a Karbi woman in a beautiful dress, and it's a picture of a man, beautiful dress in an attire of Karbi. You can read it's Wang Ignot, means it's a welcome word to the people. Again, in this house, you can see all these sacred objects which are brought here to be used during this Chomkan. All these objects, some of are being hung here. So adorned but very sacred for the people who use during this Chomkan. These are some of the sticks, but it is a small kind of bamboo. A popularity of Karbis, they have a religion which is called animism. And you can see it in this room. They believe that the dead people are brought here to incarnate the demised people. They thought or believe to have a room for the dead people. They set aside for the dead persons. They have a table, a bed. These women are here. They are practicing to have a mournful song or a melancholy song for the deceased persons. They are here in order to practice for it. They are sang in turn by turn. This Karbi woman, they will be singing this melancholy song for 2 or 3 days until the observant days are over. They are practicing and they are teaching one another. 5 or 6 women are here. You can see these 2 women folk are chanting to bring back the deceased persons to have a new life and to be freed by this ritual. Now they are performing the ritual rites. The Karbi women are gathered here to unveil the deceased statue. The participants as a group, they are gathered in a particular place here. They are practicing here. This structure object is called Jambili Athon in Chomkan, which is used in this occasion. These are the traditional ways that has to be observed during this funeral ritual by the Karbi people. The uncut or long bamboos are used here to make some rounds. Still, the statue is not unveiled, and this man-made pond is filled with water. This is the view of the Chomkan arena. This is one of the groups. They are going there to participate. They are using swords, bamboo net, drums, etc. It is very unusual and they sing filthy songs. In this Chomkan, all the men, women, and even girls have to join in singing indecency words or song.
YouTube naman,
It's
nagsisingan
very
to.
strange for the people of the whole world. And when night arrives, all the people who participate here, they assemble in this particular playground to observe this. They dance, which is called Nimsukirung in Karbi language. They have to sing like a belly dance. They used to dance and they sing a song which is not good to hear for the civilized people. It is so, what to say? I won't open the words. They have merriment while they sing this song. You can see by the push. There is a name for this house. I forgot it. I'm sorry, but this it's a small hut which are used by people who got tired and they can take rest and have a refreshment. But one can get especially a little strong wine here, a local beverages. It's called. And this small hut it is well decorated, so beautiful to take rest here when night during night time or evening time. This is the night view, and all the people who come here during this Langtuk journey, they assemble in this particular place. You can see the men, women, they are here sitting and practicing how to sing well and how to beat the drums. You can see how many people are gathering here. They are going to start the ritual ceremony and they are going to observe or celebrate it the whole night as much as they could. See, people are coming, and you can see here and there people are. Again, this is the another guest house. We can see our rest house. It's well decorated, and you can see two women are here sitting, taking rest. Oh, it's a lovely small thatched house. Inside there is a room you can take rest and enjoy while drinking the strong beverages of the local people made by this particular tribe. See, there is a bamboo type of ladder. You can climb it a little while and you can go inside there. And there is a door also. Now you can see this particular group they are dancing here in very frolic manner. Oh, very enjoying for them. Some people who are not participating in this, they are here watching and listening the filthy song.